everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia and welcome and thank you to all of my new subscribers. Today I have an Amazon inspired designer and luxury haul for you all. Everything is $10 or less except for one item, and we're gonna go ahead and start with that item. If you are new here, I do want you to know that everything will be linked down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first item that's not $10, I believe it was 12 or 13, is this Tiffany's inspired bracelet. And so let me see, I want y'all to be able to see really good. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry if my nails are in the way, but we have our Tiffany blue and then we have our beaded bracelet. Now I do have a real one and there are differences, and you might have a real one as well. And then that's what the back looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the differences. So one of the main differences is the back, that little part right there. The real one just has a clasp, and then of course the inspired doesn't say Tiffany on the back, Tiffany & Co on the back. It just has the pretty Tiffany blue or turquoise blue. Now mine does have the Tiffany, y'all can kind of see it, but my blue piece actually fell out down the drain in the shower probably a couple years after I purchased it, and I did not reach out to see if I could replace it, but I think I'm going to reach out to them and see if I can get it replaced for free. But again, oh, and I think, yeah, the heart, let me see, the heart is a little bigger, but just dangling from your wrist, nobody's gonna know. They're not gonna know. And again, the main difference I would say is the back or the hook. But just dangling from your arm, nobody's looking at that. I will say that all the pieces, all the jewelry pieces I got did come in a jewelry box, so that's really nice and convenient. Next, I have this David Yurman inspired ring, as so. And it's the mixed metal. I really like it. This is really cute, really lightweight. You can kind of like adjust it a little bit if you do have larger fingers. It does like pull a little bit, has a little bit of give in it. And I like the fact that it's mixed metals, and also the end has a cute little pearl. So we have our silver, our gold, and a cute little pearl on the end. And again, this one is under $10. Really cute. And I like that it's adjustable. I'm going to show you this Hermes inspired necklace. And there's our H. It's the same on both sides with a gold chain. And that's the clasp, as so. Really cute, lightweight, dainty. I really like this. Also, if your name starts with an H, it's really cute for that as well. This is nice. I would definitely recommend this if you want a necklace with the H on it for Hermes or for your name. Really cute, and it has a nice amount of length to adjust. I'm going to show you some Chanel inspired brooches. They look as so. Let's take them out of the packaging. So right here is two of the brooches. I love the pearls. I love the gold with the black and white. Very, very nice. And then this one, it didn't break or anything. It just kind of fell off. Look how cute that is. It's a cute little purse. Look, with the pearls and then the bow. Absolutely love. And then there's a little pin clasp. And that's on these two as well. I like these. If you're into wearing a brooch or different brooches for work, for church, for an event, I really like these. Then I have some Cartier inspired earrings, and these came really they have like 3 layers of packaging, okay? So you're not going to lose them when you open your package. They look as so on the side, really cute. And then this is what they look like on the outer. Can y'all see the details? Let me see. It's like a little cubic zirconia. These are really cute. And here's the other one. So I have both of them right here. Focus. There you go. And they came in individual baggies as well as the box. One thing that I really like so far between the Amazon dupes and the Temu dupes is that the Amazon jewelry is coming in the boxes and the Temu jewelry just kind of comes in the bags. Of course, the Temu jewelry and different things that they have are usually significantly cheaper, and the Amazon ones do cost more. However, of course, you're going to get your orders from Amazon a lot faster. Maybe next day, maybe a couple more days, where Temu, you're definitely waiting a week or 2. However, you are going to be saving money. Now I'm going to be showing you this Gucci inspired headband. This is so cute. And it looks really cute on, let me see if I can show y'all without messing up my hair. It's just pulled back, but still. How cute am I? And I think I saw one on the site that's just like this picture I'm gonna put up that had like 4 in a pack. So that's really convenient. This is nice and it's really comfortable. It's not gonna hurt your head. And it's secured, like the fabric is secured on there really well. I like this. 10 out of 10. So if you're into wearing headbands, definitely check out these Gucci inspired headbands. I have 2 more items to show you. The first one is going to be this Hermes inspired bracelet. So we have our HSO. And this right here is really durable and really sturdy. And you can find like this, I'm just gonna call it a rope, but it's not like thin or will tear easily like a rope. It's really, you know, good quality. But it does come in different colors. But I believe that all the H's were gold. Let's put it on. And you can pull these without it coming out. So this is what it looks like on. Definitely put it on before you put your lotion on. Or you might be struggling like I was. But it's really cute, really comfortable. And I like it. And again, you can get it, the rope part, in different colors. Really nice. And last but not least, I saw this really pretty layered necklace. And when I was looking up various designer items, I kept seeing these layered necklaces just by various designers. And so I ordered it. However, it's a good and a bad thing, I guess. The good part is, even though it's layered, they sent it in individual necklaces so that you can wear them separately. However, just like this picture over here, you can wear them layered. So I like the fact that you do have the option. The reason why I say it can kind of be a negative is that you will have to put, you know, each one individually on. But the positive is you have like 4 necklaces. So let me show you the last two. So I like that about it. That's really, you know, that's a good thing. This is the long part, the little bar. This is like really good quality. And it kind of like, let me see, twist. Y'all see that? I like this. I would have ordered this by itself. And then the last one is this one right here. And this chain is kind of like the Hermes necklace I showed you. So yeah, that's really convenient that it's a layered necklace. However, they send all of the necklaces individual. So maybe you want to wear 2 of them, maybe you want to wear all 4, maybe you just want to wear 1. So these are all the luxury inspired Amazon items I have for you. I was trying to keep it different from what I've already showed you from Temu, because I showed you a lot from Temu, and I also wanted to show you items that were under $10 because that is like a pro when it comes to Temu. You can get the items for so cheap, and with Amazon you are definitely going to pay a little bit more or a lot of it more. So I wanted to show you items that you could get from Amazon for under $10. Again, if you're new here, everything will be linked down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this Amazon inspired haul. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you were.